Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Alright, and today we're going to be talking about how to make chicken and eggs. Now you're going to start off with about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, and we're going to go ahead and throw that in our crock pot there, and we're going to let that cook first. We're going to let this cook overnight, or you can do it when you go to work, and then you come back, and this would be a good side dish or just a good hearty meal. And you let the chicken cook for about 5 to 6, maybe 7 hours on low, and then when you come back, you're going to come over here and you're going to add about 6 eggs. Just go ahead and beat them up. Get mad at them. I don't like eggs. Not whole ones anyway. Got to be all mixed together. They insulted me once. Alright, now that we got our eggs nice and beaten, we're going to throw that right on top of our cooked chicken. Okay. And now at this point, if you'd like, you can add some chopped carrots, some chopped celery, maybe some peppers, just for a little bit more texture, a little bit more flavor. But you don't really have to if you don't want to. You go ahead and throw your top on there, throw it on high, and then we're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 more hours.